Welcome to my channel. In my channel I produce videos on advancing technologies for better living in India and abroad, jobs in India and abroad, and scholarships and fellowships from different organizations, universities and countries. There are some governments from different countries in the world. They offer scholarships and fellowships. Here in the present video, I would like to talk about 16,000 Europe scholarships in 2021. Are you looking for the fully funded scholarships in Europe? If yes, then this video is for you. The different governments have come up with a list of 16,000 Europe scholarships in 2021. These scholarships applications are currently open to apply. These scholarships are offered to the international students by European Council and private universities to pursue their bachelor's, master's and PhD degree programs. These governments have good news for the scholarship seekers. Many European universities have cancelled take the English test or GRE because of the COVID-19 pandemic situation. This is a wonderful opportunity for students to pursue these degrees in European countries. These governments encourage all male or female candidates who are willing to pursue their higher education from Europe, that too fully funded, must apply for these 16,000 Europe scholarships in 2021. Many countries are under European Council, almost 44 countries are there. Hungary, Netherlands, Amsterdam, Switzerland, Italy and many other top countries of Europe. So, now let us start with the list of 16,000 Europe scholarships 2021. What are you waiting for? Keep scrolling down and you can watch this video and you can get the information and apply. Do you know 2,500 free online courses are available for the students from the top institutes and organizations. If you are interested in these online courses, you can check the details. The title of this is 2,500 top free online courses 2021. Coming back to this point, list of 16,000 Europe scholarships 2021. Following scholarship offers travel fare, accommodation, allowance, meals, visa fee, tuition fee and other accommodations. Number 1, KOC University Scholarship in Turkey 2021. KOC University Scholarship in Turkey 2021 offers fully funded bachelor's, master's or PhD degree programs in any academic field and majors. The scholarship is open for international students. Candidates who want to pursue BS, MS and PhD from Turkey can apply for this scholarship program. Deadline 15th December 2020 and it may be extended. Number 2, 5,000 University of Pécs scholarships 2021 in Hungary. 5,000 University of Pécs scholarships 2021 is offered in Hungary. The University of Pécs offering bachelor's, master's, PhD programs to the international students. The great thing about this scholarship is that it is fully funded and is one of Hungary's most prestigious universities. A large number of scholarships are offered in this program. Therefore, don't miss this chance to apply. Deadline 15th January 2021, and you know pretty well there are new variants of COVID-19, so date may be extended. Third one, Padova University scholarships in Italy 2021. The University of Padova offers up to 43 scholarships in a degree of bachelor and masters. Padova is ranked as one of the best universities in the world. Make sure you don't miss this wonderful opportunity. All candidates who are interested in this fully funded scholarship in Italy must apply before 2nd February 2021. Date may be extended. Fourth one, ETH scholarship in Switzerland 2021. The scholarship offers master's degree programs. Scholarships fully funded for international students with about 1.2 to 2 years of duration. ETH Zurich is one of the most famous scholarships and highly paid scholarships in Switzerland. Candidates who want to pursue their education from ETH Zurich University must apply for this program, scholarship program. Deadline 18th December 2020. Date will be definitely extended. The fifth one is 600 scholarships in Netherlands 2021. Netherlands government has announced about 600 scholarships for international students. Netherlands public universities offer bachelor's and master's degree programs with no application fee required. And the next one is sixth one, that is 5,000 scholarships from University of Debrecen scholarships in Hungary. The University of Debrecen offers 5,000 scholarships. Bachelor's, master's and PhD degrees are offered to international students in Hungary's most reputable institute. Almost all academic fields and majors are being offered. Deadline 15th January 2021. Date might be extended. Seventh one, 220 Belgium government scholarships 2021. Applications for 220 fully funded Belgium government scholarships 2021-2022 are now open. Belgium government scholarships offers full-time master's degree and training courses. 150 scholarships for masters and 70 scholarships for short training courses. Deadline 5th February 2021. Date will be extended. Eighth scholarship is 2,500 Erasmus plus scholarship program 2021. 2,500 Erasmus plus scholarships program 2021 is now open in all European countries. Erasmus scholarships offers EMJMD, the Europe Joint Master's Degree, a fully funded 2-year master degree program or PhD in European countries. For further information, you can visit the website. Ninth one is Central European University Scholarships in Hungary 2021. CEU scholarships in Hungary. CEU offers fully funded scholarships in bachelor's, master's and PhD degrees. Deadline 1st February 2020 and date will be definitely extended. Please visit the website. 10th one, Sweden government scholarships 2021. Funded by Sweden government. Applications for Sweden government scholarships 2021 are now open for international students. Sweden government scholarship offers 300 master's degree scholarships for candidates of any nationality. So this was the list of 16,000 Europe scholarships 2021. We hope this video is helpful for you. Visit the scholarships official link. Do give it proper watching and apply. please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon, and thank you very much for watching my video. Wish you all the success. May God bless you.